Hello everyone, I'm Andrew McClendon, and today I bring you Hedera. I'll be covering 3 simple things about this cryptocurrency, some market information, the news, and a price prediction at the end. Let's begin. Hedera is ticker is HBAR, sitting at basically 39.49 cents, basically 40 cents. Has a market cap of almost 6 billion. Now, Hedera is a little bit different than other cryptocurrencies I've covered, so I'm going to break this down, but like this. What is Hedera? Hedera is the most used sustainable enterprise grade public network for the decentralized economy that allows individuals and businesses to create powerful decentralized applications called dApps. It is designed to be a fairer, more efficient system that eliminates some of the limitations that older blockchain-based platforms face, such as slow performance and instability. So who are the founders of Hedera and hashgraph? Because this is on a hashgraph platform. So Hedera hashgraph has 2 founders, Dr. Lehman Baird and the Mance Harmon. So these guys have created this different and unique. But why is it unique? So unlike other cryptocurrency platforms, Hedera hashgraph isn't built on top of conventional blockchain. Instead, it introduces a completely novel type of distributed ledger technology known as hashgraph. This technology allows it to improve upon blockchain based on alternatives in several key areas, including speed, cost, and scalability. Hedera transactions have on average a fee of just 0.0001 US dollar, and it typically reach its finality compared to around 5 through 20 of the most proof-to-work or POW based blockchains. So that's how it's a little bit different, guys. So if you guys are looking at something different than other cryptocurrencies, I would check this one out. I personally saw this and I was like, wow, this is very interesting. Something I will really get into by trading or hodling it. So let's look at some of the information of where you guys can get involved with Hedera. Now it's on a bunch of markets. We got KuCoin, Bittrex. So you guys have the availability to get part of this. It's on like everything. The next thing, guys, for Hedera, it is a number 35 on the list. Once again, $6 billion market cap. But let's check out some of the important news about Hedera. So I found these 2 articles very interesting. So if you guys are looking at it, I will have this link below. They just recently came out. Talking about some of the governmental people working with Hedera. Also, some Singapore Trade-wide Bank DBS joins Hedera hashgraph as a council member. So if you guys want to learn more about that, here you go. Also, let's look at their main website, hedera.com. So guys, when it comes to trading these guys, I will be breaking that down right after this. But it's a little bit interesting because since this is the biggest one out there when it comes to the hashgraph network, this might have a lot more utility long term. But guys, tell me what you guys' thoughts are below about what do you guys think about hashgraph? Do you think it's better or worse? But here's their website, guys. If you want any other information, they do have a other social medias like Twitter. I think everyone has a Twitter these days. So you guys want to find some more information, check the news articles, check their Twitter. They have 160,000 followers, so there's probably a lot of people you guys can talk to while they post. So let's do that price prediction, guys. So for me, I will be covering with 2 different indicators, super trend and my projection will be Fibonacci projection. But you know, this is pretty interesting. If you look at look how cheap it was. Now it's not like the other cryptocurrencies where they're like super tiny, but look at this. You know, 36 cents went all the way down to about a penny. Now they're trading at 40 cents. It's about, wow. Whoever got in down here, man, they're sitting happy. But at our current price, we're over here. So I'm gonna come this, like, when it comes to trading, hodling it. My bad. When it comes to hodling this, guys, I think this one's since it has gone not too like parabolic, it has done huge numbers, but it seems like it would just be best just to, one, don't join in. You know, I wouldn't get in with risk-free money that, you know, basically money that I would burn. get into that, buy at every single dip. At every dip, I'll just build upon more. But the trading thing is going to be a little bit different for me because since there's so many people taking profits off this point and it's trending down and taking profits off the point, I'm not going to enter in right now. I usually would do a buy market, but for me, I'll place this first up here because I like trading markets. I'll place a buy stop above this right here. First thing I do, place a buy stop. The next thing I would do is place a buy limit down here. Because see that many people are taking profits off and it's trending on the daily a little bit down. So I'll place a buy stop buy limit down here. Now my price target is going to be very simple. It's going to be a flat 50 cents. So 50 cents is a price target. But since I put my buy stop here, I will be exiting this position at the top of these wicks. And if it hits this down here, so if it enters off option 1, hits my buy stop, I'm just going to let it run. But if it hits my buy limit and then my buy stop, I'm going to put my move my stop above the entry, letting this buy limit run, and exiting my buy stop at the top of these wicks. Because it might be like, price fluctuation and stuff like that. But if it keeps on running off, I'm going to let this one run. So my price prediction, guys, is 50 cents. If that gives you guys any value at all, just comment below, tell me what you guys' thoughts are. But let's check out my website, guys. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, learn more about trading, MetaTrader, programming when it comes to trading, just book a session with myself. I can help you guys out with that. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.